Hi everyone! Are you looking to join groups on Telegram and connect with like-minded people like you? Let's go over the steps to find groups on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app and tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. This is where you can search for group based on your interest. Enter the keyword related to the group topic you're interested in, such as travel tips or tech news. In the search result, scroll down to find group names related to your search term. Public groups are open for everyone to join, so you can just find a group that looks interesting. Simply tap on it to open the group and tap join to become a member. And there you go guys, you're now part of a Telegram group where you can connect and chat with others. Enjoy exploring new communities. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.